Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 9M, page number 143. So, this exercise is based on word problems. Okay, so based on this, we will solve questions from exercise 9M. So, let's see the first question. Exercise 9M. First question we have: use a rupee sign and decimal point to write each amount. Means we have to use the decimal signs. Okay, so first rupee sign, so we know that this is the sign of rupees. Okay, so first one: a man had 800 rupees 803.79 in the bank. He deposited rupees 413.85 more. What was his balance thereafter? So earlier it was this was 803.79, then after he deposited means it 413. So altogether now total is what money, so means we can add, so we can get the total value. These two we can add. Okay, so let's solve this question. So number one you can solve. Number one you can do, write his, you can write his balance, write his balance, write his balance, so total balance. Okay, so now that will be equals to, what was the amount earlier, rupees 803.79 and rupees 413.85. so do it. So write rupees 803.79 and rupees 413.85, and these two we can add, so add it. Okay, now you can add, so here will be 14, carry 1, so here will be 16, carry 1, so here will be 7, here will be 1, here will be 12 and rupees. Okay, so what is the answer? It will be 1. Yeah, so total its answer is 1217.64 is his total amount. So this is your answer. Okay, now see question number 2. So question number 2 is just same like question number 1. Okay, so Sobit went for fishing club. He how much money, how much will it cost him hire all three items of the fishing club? So here you can see all these items given, it's a price is given there, so only you have to add these three values. Okay, you have to add these three value and you will get the answer of this. Okay, so very simple, you can add and get the answer. Okay, now number 3, we have the number 3. Sonia buys for her mother a bunch of flowers for rupees 1112, sorry, 112.75, and her brother some chocolates for rupees 35.85. If she has left, means this amount has left rupees 53.20 left, how much money did she, how to start with? Okay, so that we have to find, means exact how much money she has, means at the start earlier how much total amount with Sonia. Okay, that we have to find. So now we will solve number 3. Okay, so in number 3, so first of all we will write the for flowers, so expenditures. So for flowers, so right there, so for flowers, she had given 112.75. Okay, now for the chocolate, so right for the chocolate, for the chocolates it was the rupees 35.85. Okay, now so left amount we can write here, that was left, so which will be rupees, it is given 53.20. now total amount we have to find earlier how much, so we will add. So where is the blank? So here is at 100 place it is a blank, so we put the extra 0. Now we can add it. So now we can add, see here, now 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, so here will be 18, carry 1, so here will be 1, here will be 1, here will be 0, here will be 2, and this is your rupees. So your answer is, earlier she has how much rupees? 201.80. so that's your answer. Okay, so all together you can add. Okay, now next question number, let's see the next question, number 4. Number 4, Ramesh want to buy an encyclopedia costing rupees 800.75. He saved rupees 500.50. How much more money does she need to able to buy the book? Okay, means total cost of the book was 800.75, but now he totally saved this amount, means 500.50. so means how much more amount he need to save that he can able to buy this book of rupees 800.75. Okay, so now solve question number 4. So question number 4 is, so the first of all you can write the cost of the encyclopedia. Okay, so in the cost of, so that you can write encyclopedia cost. Encyclopedia cost. Okay, so its a cost will be, its a cost is given rupees 800.75, it is given. Okay, now how much total amount he saved, so that's we can write also saving. His saving was rupees 550. Now we can subtract these two value, so you can subtract. So we will subtract, then we can get how much more money need to buy this book. So here we can subtract. Okay, so here will be 5, now here will be 2, here will be 0, here will be 3. Okay, so now you can see what is the more amount he need to be saved, that is rupees 300.25. Okay, if he save more 300.25, so then he will able to buy that encyclopedia book. Okay, so you have to do like this. Understood? Now question number 5. Rekha bought a toy for rupees 116.25. She gave the shopkeeper a 100 rupees note and a 50 rupees note. How much, what amount did the shopkeeper return to Rekha? Means if the total she bought, the cost that was 116.25, and she has given 100 notes and 50 rupees note to the shopkeeper. So how much amount she will that shopkeeper will return? So number 5, question number 5, first of all we will write the amount given to shopkeeper. So what is the amount given to shopkeeper? Amount given to shopkeeper, that we have to find out first of all. So what is, so he has given 100 rupees note. Okay, secondly he has given 50 rupees note, so write 50 rupees. Okay, and we can add these two. Okay, so now, so she has given 150 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay, now we have to find the what amount that shopkeeper will return. So first we can write the given amount. we can write the given amount. Okay, so given that is rupees 150.00. Okay, now cost of toy we can write. Okay, so here you can write cost of toy. So cost of toy will be, that is rupees 160. That was our bill, means that the cost of the toy. Now we will subtract, so that will be returned amount. So subtract it. So here will be 5, here will be 7, here will be point, here will be 3, and it will be 3 and rupees. So how much money that shopkeeper will return? So that shopkeeper will return rupees 33.75. That's your answer. Okay, so first of all we have to find the amount given to the shopkeeper. We will add these two value, 100 plus 50. Okay, so 150 you will get. So then after given, what is the amount given? Okay, and cost. So that remaining, that balance will be the returning amount. So that will be the return. Okay, now next you see the next question. Next question number 6. Ekta took her friend a party pizza place. They ordered the following items. So these are the items she ordered. Okay, now then after we have to find the total amount she pay. Okay, if she has given 2000 rupees note at the cash counter, so how much amount she will get returned? Okay, so first of all we will get the total amount. Total amount means total paid. So first of all we will add this all. You can add this all these four values. Okay, so that will be the total amount paid. So total amount paid will be total amount paid. So you can add this all. Okay, you have to write in your copy the same values and add it. Okay, so when you will add these all four, so you get rupees 500 554.60. So after adding, means this is the total amount paid, this is the cost of all. So that total amount to be paid, this total amount to be paid, so that is 554.60. Okay, when you will add these all values, so you will get that. Now next is that if I have given 2000 rupees note, how much amount I will get back? So that we can write amount get back, means that amount to be returned. So given amount was rupees 2000. Okay, so write like this. Okay, now what was your cost, means the total amount to be paid, that is 554.60. here is nothing, so put one extra zero. Now that we will subtract. Okay, so after subtracting that you will get the how much amount that will be returned. So here it will be 0, here will be 4, here will be 5, here will be again 4, here will be 4, now here remaining 1. Now so that shopkeeper will return rupees 1445.40. got it? So actually first of all you have to write these all values and add it. This value you have to write and add. After adding you will get these values. Okay, then after in the given amount you have to subtract the what is your bill, so that is your returning amount. Okay.